This is Barrett at CorkSport. Today I want to tell you about our aluminum skid tray for the 2014 to 2016 Mazda 3. So we know with low cars, any off-roading adventures, even speed bumps, sometimes you're going to hit that skid tray, tear it up, and really the plastic panel just isn't enough for protection. So here at CorkSport, we decided to put together an aluminum skid tray to really add a level of protection that you can't surpass. Our unique two-panel design makes for easy installation, covers from radiator core support all the way to the back of the subframe, and then your front piece from core support all the way to the front of the bumper. So it really is a bumper back full system. Along with easy installation comes a quick access panel for your oil filter and oil drain, so you don't have to remove the entire system to do simple vehicle maintenance. Installation includes all stainless steel hardware, so you know that nothing's going to corrode or rust over time. And then the aluminum is quality 11 gauge thickness, so it's durable, it'll take an impact, protect your engine, transmission, and anything else you got in the engine bay.